The Kenya Certificate of Primary Education KCPE examination entered the last day today. The exam also came at a time when the 844 system of education is set to be replaced by the 26333. Zinzi Kibiku looks at how technology has influenced this exam, even as the Kenya National Examination Council procured 20 scanning machines that are expected to process the results faster.
It is singing and celebration for the Standard 8 pupils. The mood in Athi River Primary represents that of many schools in the country.
The exam was quite cool, but at first I was really afraid. But after I did mathematics, I actually don't know what I was afraid of.
Exam period the exam was a little bit tough, but you still have to go with the timing that the exam has, so it was a little bit difficult. And you also try not to doze off while you're still doing the exam.
I want to go to Mudhali Girls or Alliance.
Although it seemed quite challenging, it was fine.
This year's KCPE exam was different from those of previous years.
In this year's exam, we had their answer sheets printed with their details. Their details, I mean their names, were printed there already. Their index numbers, the school code, and also the shading was already done for them.
Technology has equally played a big role too. The government this year introduced tough measures to prevent exam cheating, including the use of candidate photographs and acquisition of containers for storage of examination materials. Only Kiswahili Insha and English composition will be marked manually.
What I see is it's going to make it easier for the marking and the process, and obviously at the same time I guess there are people who probably would resist it because they think they lose their job.
Accuracy level of this system is a little bit high because if you have people who are individually marking each of the questions, then chances are very high that they could make one error here due to fatigue, negligence, and many other reasons that technology is able to intervene.
Despite political rise in temperatures in the country, the KCPE exam ran smoothly as hoped. Quite a busy week for pupils across the nation. Monday was rehearsals, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday were the exam period. Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i says that by November, results should be out. You can tell from the atmosphere here in Athi River Primary School how excited they are. Zinzi Kibiku, KTN News in Machakos County.